So I finally made it to Malaysia, folks, and this video is going to be about my first time experience taking the light rapid transit, which is more commonly known as the LRT to locals. I took it from Subang Jaya, which is a suburb right outside of Kuala Lumpur, all the way to KLCC, which is basically the city center in Kuala Lumpur. So if you're traveling to Malaysia, specifically to KL, I hope this will give you some insight on how efficient it is to take the LRT or any other public transportation in the area. And with that being said, please enjoy the video. What's up, guys? I'm here in Malaysia. Start of my journey to go to the city center. Got my luggage with me. And I'm about to take this LRT. Apparently it's the cheapest mode of transport out here. I think to go to the city center on a taxi or Uber, out here they have two big, well, a couple big ones, but the biggest one is Grab. It was about 40 ringgit, so that's about what, like $8. It's not that bad anyways, but going on the LRT is only 4 ringgit. That's not even $1. So no brainer, right? Let's try this first. I first got to figure out how to use this. Let's talk to the counter, see what happens. So I just talked to the guy in the counter. Luckily I got one of these. It's a touch and go card, and apparently it works here. He told me to scan it and I'll be good to go. Whoops. See the things I go through to show you guys what I'm doing. So let's see, I scanned it there. Oh, it opened, but I'm on the wrong side, so I gotta go through this. I guess that was it. And now we're here, so let's take a look at all this. So from what I learned is that every station has this map. Every station has a counter like that for help. And as you can see, every station has a place to pray too. Bathrooms, everything on all these stations, so that's a good thing right here. Anyways, let's figure out where I gotta go. Yeah, so I believe I gotta go on platform 2. Not 100% sure, but let's just try it out and see what happens. Because from my understanding, I gotta go to Putra Heights, and then from there we go to PUO Station, whatever the hell. I don't know how to pronounce it, man, but we'll see what's up. So I'm right here on top of the station, man. It's humid out here. I'm already sweating, but I figured out where we're going. Platform 2, going to Putra Heights, and then from Putra Heights, I'm currently right here, Wawasan, and then from there, go to Putra Heights, and from Putra Heights, we're going all the way up there, Pudu. But let's try it out, see how great their transportation system is here in Malaysia. And this is our train right here. Welcome to Malaysia's transit system. So a cool thing I want to show you guys on this train that is this right here. It shows you which way the train is heading in your next stop, so that way you won't be lost. And we just stopped at one of the stations, and it's time for Asar prayer. And when they opened the doors, I could hear the adhan so loud and clear. And I mean, to me, that's a beautiful thing, especially as a Muslim coming from America, from the West. You know, we don't really see that out there. But yeah, man, just check this view out. One thing in Malaysia is just so green, you know. Check out that mosque. which is Putra Heights, and from here I believe I need to switch to another train. So let me get ready and get off. So that was my train, and now it's going back the other way. I gotta go to Pudu, and it's telling me that it's on this platform, so platform B. So now I'll wait over there and wait for that train to arrive, and yeah, let's see how efficient it goes. So far that was pretty smooth, clean, comfortable, no issues. So basically I'm right here. I got, wow, God knows how many stops I got until I get to my destination, but let's see how long it takes. And this should be our train, so let's hop on and see how it goes. So the way I know I'm on my correct train is, remember I was saying this could be a lifesaver. Look at that, it shows where it's going. So it's going this way, and it's even indicating which route it's taking because it splits off right there. So that's my stop right there. So this is the correct train. I just got a long way to go. That's where we going, all the way over there. So I finally made it to the last stop, PUO Station. Took like an hour and 10 minutes just to get over here. So definitely takes a while, but I'm pretty sure because of how much traffic there is right now, it would take longer for me to go on a Grab or aka Uber out here. So here I am in downtown. I might be in a more of a slumish area, I don't know. Check this out, man. Even smell like sewer over here. Anyways, that's the building we're going to, so let me put this away and make my way over there. Alright folks, if you stuck around this long, I truly appreciate your time and support. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can continue making more content like this. Once again, thank you and take care.